guys, this is Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to use Multisim for making basic circuits and simulate the circuits using some basic tools and equipments provided by this software. Now, this is a simple rectifier circuit shown by me with an AC supply of 20 volt RMS, a simple diode connected in series with a resistor of 1K using as a load. Now I'm going to use a CRO in order to show the waveforms, connecting the ground here of the CRO channel 1 to the original signal, and channel 2 to across the load, that is the rectified signal. Now power it on, simulate it. Now there is some operations performed by the CRO. I'm going to decrease the voltage level, voltage per division, second per division, varying this, and then I'm going to decrease. There it is. You can see the original signal with blue trace, yellow trace, and you can see the rectified signal with blue trace. If you replicate this one after another, as you can see, it's a completely rectified signal by the diode. That's how you can use simple multisim simulators for making circuits and simulations of your lab works. Now there is also an extra feature here, that is for this CRO you can print your waveforms by clicking this print button. You can simply print it and you can get the PDFs of the waveforms. Now save it. If you're interested in color, no, and you can get the waveforms here. Simple. So now what are left here? As I said in the previous lecture, that here in the in-use list you can access to your component shortcut. That is, I have used here diode, the power, ground and resistor. You can access it from here also, rather than accessing the database and searching it. Here are some extra tools present. What are they? They are multimeters. You can use multimeters. Okay, you can use function generators. As you can see, sinusoidal wave, triangular wave, square wave, etc., etc. You can use both plotter, used in control systems. You can use word generators, frequency counters, logic converters, logic analyzers, distortion analyzers used in communication systems, spectrum analyzers, which is very important tool in communication engineering, and used for analyzing the spectrum components present in the signal. Network analyzer, it is used in analyzing the transmission line characteristics, designing stubs, quarter wave transformers, etc., etc. And 4-channel oscilloscopes, multimeters, function generators, which have I already told. And also there is an extra feature, that is a measurement probe. You can use it in a network in order to measure branch currents, node voltages, etc., etc. As you can see, I have placed the probe here, and I am pressing the run button, and it is showing the currents or voltages present in the circuit as this is 0. Okay. You can also access your required databases from here, this search button, and type the name you want. That is, I want the transistor BC547. It is not present here. You can write simple switch. is also not giving. Instead write SPDT. It is giving SPDT switch. As you can see here, it is opening, and you can simply press OK and use it. Single pole double throw switch. Simple process. Now I think one extra feature I have to tell, that if you press space, then it is connecting to this port. If they press space again, then it is connecting to this port. So simple to use. This is the basic features, and now I will move on to some practical purposes of network or circuit theory, and also some purposes of digital electronics solved by this simulation or simulator called Multisim. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you next time.